Once again, I do need all small children to please remain seated. They can sit on your lap or on the seat beside you, but they do need to remain seated. Welcome aboard the Wildlife Express. My name is Deanna, and I'll be your conductor. Up front we have Lex. She'll be our engineer, making sure we arrive safely at Conservation Station. And there you're going to find a large building that's home to a working vet hospital, animal nutrition center, and our science center. You'll find Rafiki and Chip and Dale signing autographs and taking pictures. And for our wilderness explorers, there are 6, that's right, 6 merit badges for you to earn out there. It's also home to our petting yard, better known as Affection Section, the only place in the animal kingdom where you can pet such small domesticated animals as sheep, goats, donkeys, even pigs from New Zealand called Foodie Foodie. Now we have come to an unscheduled stop. Once again, I do need everyone to please remain seated. This does include small children. They can sit on your lap or on the seat beside you, but they do need to remain seated. Once again, I do need all small children to remain seated. This is for their safety.
What's behind us? Oh, okay.
Quiet.
Not quiet enough. Not quiet enough.
I said, it's quiet. She said, it's not quiet enough.
On that window.
Oh, you 5-year-old.
You don't even know
You don't even know what quiet means.
You do?
So how come whenever I ask you to be quiet, you don't do it?
We get to see Rafiki and Chippendale again, right?
Yeah, we can skip.
Once again, please remain seated. We are going to begin motion in just a moment. Once again, please remain seated.
We can
It's
stay here till the
raining.
rain stops. That's fine with me.
It's still raining when the sun's out. It's kind of the show in the Weather Channel Tornado Alley, like everyone took just for your kids after the damage to the school, like the school is completely gone. And it's like sunny, but it's raining.
Well, happy Thanksgiving. Go ahead.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody!
Oh, is that right? I'll forget it for now. Oh, we're doing good. Just sitting down for a minute. I'll call you. We'll get a picture.
Now those whistles do mean that we are about to begin motion, so once again, please remain seated. Small children, once again, please remain seated, keeping all arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the train at all times.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, I know we'll be home tomorrow. We're flying home back. We're flying back tomorrow.
Once again, this train cannot move safely forward until everyone is seated. So once again, I do need everyone to include small children. Please remain seated, keeping all arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the train at all times. Once again, I do need all small children to remain seated.
Yeah, you got that on the back.
I do. Just gonna agree. Oh, this Donald Duck. You see that?
Alright everybody, we are about to begin motion, so once again, please remain seated, keeping all arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the train at all times.
Go.
I'll take 11 seconds to go.
Yeah, she's cute.
Dun, dun, dun.
It's not.
Now we are passing some of the nighttime homes of the lions, the warthog, and our hoof stock, such as the zebra and the bok-bok. Each and every night before sundown, the animals come home for feeding and any extra care that they may need. To do this, they've been trained to listen for sound cues. These are also known as audio cues, and these can be 2 in a block hitting each other, bicycle horns, bells, whistles, even rocks, and a coffee can. When the animals hear their specific sound, they know it's time to come home for dinner and any extra care. This is a process that can take 2 to 3 hours to complete, and for the safety of our animals as well as our keepers, must be done before the sun sets. Now at this time I will be asking all small children to please remain seated, keeping all arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the train at all times. They can sit on your lap or on the seat beside you, but they do need to remain seated.
So that's cool. They like to hear the sounds.
Just up around the bend, you're going to see the nighttime home of the fastest of all land animals, the cheetah, our crash of white rhino, and the largest of all land animals, the African elephant. Keep those cameras handy because you may see a white rhino or two enjoying a well-deserved day off. Once again, I do need all small children to remain seated.
Yeah, that's the animal stuff. It did say that the one that Crystal was going to be just closely. She likes
I see an elephant.
white rhino.
As we approach our destination, we are going to ask everyone to please remain seated, keeping all arms, hands, legs, and feet inside the train at all times.
Timbo. Must be
Don't
the
worry
name
about
of the
opening those train
elephant.
doors when it is safe and clear to do so. Station staff will open those for you. If you have a stroller with you, please do not unfold that stroller until you've crossed the solid yellow safety line